You're running your business, chasing leads, delivering amazing products, and maybe even packing orders until the early hours. But there's one thing that always slows you down, stealing precious hours from everything else: bookkeeping and accounting. Seriously, how many times have you been stuck manually exporting transactions, categorizing endless receipts, or staring blankly at a spreadsheet, thinking, there has to be a faster way? Well, there is. And it's right here in your pocket. We're talking about Tide, the business platform that isn't just a bank account, but a powerful engine designed to save you time on your admin, making bookkeeping and accounting painless. Here's how Tide turns those tedious hours into minutes. First up, transaction categorization and tagging. Instead of slogging through statements after the fact, Tide lets you instantly tag and categorize transactions as they happen. You spend $50 on marketing? Tap, label it marketing, and you're done. This simple, immediate action builds a clean, categorized ledger automatically throughout the month, eliminating that huge end-of-month cleanup job. Next, let's talk about receipt capture. Lost receipts are an accountant's nightmare and a huge time suck for you. With the Tide app, you can snap a photo of a receipt, match it to the correct transaction, and store it digitally instantly. No more messy shoeboxes, no more scanning documents. Everything is linked, secure, and ready for your accountant or for tax time. But the biggest time saver is arguably invoicing and payments. Creating professional invoices takes minutes, not hours, right within the app. You can track their status, viewed, due, paid, and even set up automated payment reminders. This isn't just about saving time creating the invoice, it's about saving the stressful time chasing payments and reconciling who paid what. When a payment lands, it's instantly matched to the invoice, keeping your accounts perfectly balanced. Finally, and this is crucial, Tide offers seamless integration with accounting software like Xero, QuickBooks, and Sage. Because your data is already clean, categorized, and receipt attached within Tide, exporting or connecting your accounts is a smooth, one-click process. This is where the real magic happens, transforming what used to be a 2-hour monthly chore into a 10-minute check-in. Think about it. By automating categorization, digitizing receipts, simplifying invoicing, and integrating with your accounting tools, Tide takes the friction out of financial admin. It gives you back those hours you currently spend on dull data entry so you can focus on growing the business you actually love running. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.